I've been riding on a daydream. So we decided after ice cream, which Heidi didn't have any. Why didn't you have any? She don't like ice cream. I love ice cream. That we'd stop at the park here. And this is just down the street from us. How many miles do you think it is? One? Maybe two? 2 miles? It's the Damascus Park. We shot video here some time ago, but...
fall? Early spring?
Yeah.
I think there was snow.
No, there wasn't snow, but it was, I think it was kind of cold. But it's a nice park. There's a big ravine down here that, of course, will have more water in it whenever there's rain, which we're a little bit on the low side of rain, but there's still water down there. I don't know what this is. Looks like an old outhouse. It's kind of kind of falling apart here. This is different. Yeah, this is definitely falling apart. Hell, the wood's on the ground and everything. Wonder why that is.
They need to close that up before some little kid gets hurt.
Yeah, I've never seen this before. Yeah, that's what it is. It's an outhouse. But it's kind of odd that they've let this go to such disrepair. What you think?
They should board it up if they don't want to tear it down.
Yeah. I don't know if this is a trail or what. It's really nice out here, though. Very quiet. Hardly anybody here. And this is on one side of the parking lot. There's another side, and that's where we shot video at. Now, like I said, that was a long time ago. Yeah, we'll go a little bit further. It looks like somebody's house up here.
There's like 3 houses that butt up to the baseball field.
Oh. I didn't know that.
Yeah, well, I didn't either until I seen the houses when I walked up to the baseball field.
Maybe we'll go to the other side then. Don't want to interrupt that. Look at that. What's that over there? Looks like some sort of hole. See that?
I see it.
Is this where Jimmy Hoffa's buried?
No, it's just some holes. Somebody was digging or something.
Yeah, I don't know what that was. That's kind of odd. Okay. Sun's starting to peek through the trees as it's going down for the night. Let's wander over to the other side. So, heading back so we can cross the parking lot to the other side. It's funny because I just shot video of carrying around that extra lens for phone shooting, and guess what I didn't bring? That extra lens for phone shooting. So we kind of got a narrow field of view here, but I think you guys can get the gist. I'm sure there's baseball games here because they keep this field pretty nice. Yeah, and there's definitely some houses up there. So what is this, Damascus Community Park? Is that what that's called? Yeah. So we're going to cross the parking lot and go to the other side. I know there's a ravine over there even. Want to go play on the slide? What? Come on. All right, let's get over to the other side. Oh, so we're at the nature trail. No intoxicating beverages. Firearm or fireworks allowed? Oh, no firearm or fireworks allowed in the park. Motorcycles, ATVs on main drive and parking area only. Use of fire burners only. Oh, what's this? It's like a dedication thing, huh? That's different. Nature trail. Nature Valley. Nature trail mix. Yeah, we shot some video here. I don't remember when that was. Yeah, that was a few years back. Again, this is a nice park. It's right up the street from us. Like Heidi said, 2 miles at the most. Right? We just never come out this way. There ain't nobody here. It's just us for the whole park. Hey, they replaced that bridge. That wasn't that nice last time we were here. Good thing I have walking shoes on. I don't think so. Yeah, Heidi neither. Yeah, this is nice back here. So quiet. I think the park closes at dark, if I'm not mistaken. We're definitely going down a hill here. You see if I can slip and fall. That'd make good camera work, huh? Wow, there really hasn't been much for rain. Hardly any water here. And mosquitoes in my ear. Must be just enough water, huh? Mosquitoes in my ear again.
This is what they call jewelweed.
Oh, yeah?
You get poison ivy, you can bust it open and rub it on your...
I doubt that. That sounds like...
That's my brother.
Sounds like a wives' tale.
Or king of poison ivy.
Yeah. Her brother gets poison ivy.
By looking at it.
Yeah, just by looking at it. It's pretty bad. Wow. I barely make it up here. Maybe I shouldn't have had that Sunday hide. Oh, I don't know. You can roll me up the hill? It's really nice back here.
That video.
Yeah. It does. I think we were back like on this log shooting video or something. I don't remember.
That was a bigger, I think it was the other way.
Very pleasant back here. Look at all these trees. I think this is why we all go camping in the first place. What's that?
I said I'm clearing the way for you.
Why, you got your machete out? You're hacking away at the jungle overbrush?
No.
Cutting a swath?
Spider web.
Spider webs?
Well, you wouldn't notice.
I'm not concerned about spiders. Somebody might be concerned about spiders. Wonder who that might be.
Might be me, and you're making me go through them all first.
Want to drink from the water? Maybe we should have brought some water. Boy, this is like straight up. Holy cow. Yeah, we are definitely climbing up. Okay. I'm going to stop here, call for Uber. I need to drive, need a ride up. Get a little trolley action going on. That tree is destined to die. I don't know what the deal is there. What's the matter? That is so cool. You are so nice. It's not so much the spider webs you're clearing out. It's all the spiders that are attached to them that are now on your back. I don't remember this trail.
We may have went the other way. There's something wrong with the tree.
Yeah, it's falling apart. All right, this is kind of a boring nature walk. We're enjoying it, but I'm sure you guys aren't. We'll pick this up a little bit later. Get over here. You guys can't necessarily see this, but big deep ravine. Taking a picture of a flower. Flower power. Ooh, we're going down a hill. Here, get to the bottom and catch me. I'm gonna roll down.
Any traction on your shoes.
I do. Look at my shoes. They're like hiking boots. Imagine this really muddy. Wow. Yeah, that'd be rough. Oh, there's some kind of dedication plaque to this little bridge. Let's see what it says. Eagle Project by Kevin Cruson, Troop 50. September 2000. Well, it's held up pretty good considering it's 18 years old. It's funny because they say psychologically there's been studies that say that it is important for humans to be in touch with nature, to be in nature. And it's funny how every time we do something like this, we always feel better. I don't know if the studies are correct, or maybe it's a placebo effect that we know that it's supposed to help us on some level. But yeah, it's pretty tranquil back here. The only thing is I'm not going barefoot. I guess that would be the only way that it'd be better. Uh-oh, big step. Oh, another big step. Here we go. I made it. I made the bridge, Hyde. Call off the paramedics. Now I gotta go up the hill. Wait a minute. Keep the paramedics on standby. It's very nice, though. I think everybody should get out and check out their local state parks or city parks or whatever it may be. Some of them may be better than others. I know for us being out in the country, sort of, being a little bit in farm country, I should say, this is a pretty good park. It's not overrun and it's not overused, and it makes it kind of nice. It makes you feel like that you're still, in nature for the most part. But even I would think that if you're in the city, getting into a city park would probably be the same thing. Boy, Heidi's hauling butt. I can't keep up with her. Another nice opening. Pretty serene. Trees are pretty tall here. We're definitely working our way back to the beginning. Are they really? Yeah. Thank God. Tell them I need oxygen. Hurry, go catch them. Oxygen and some sort of steroid. It is hilarious. You think I was kidding? Told him I was going to have him on standby. My big fat butt out here trying to do a hike. Yep, there they are. She's right. Yeah, they know. They have a sense for that. They're like, dude, I seen a fat guy go into the park. We better sit here and make sure he makes it out okay. And I did. Thanks, guys. Thanks for waiting for me.